Life aboard the International Space Station. Astronauts wake up around 6 a.m. They don't use alarms like we do on Earth. Instead, they listen to music or messages from family. After getting up, they eat breakfast. Food in space is different. They eat things like oatmeal, fruit, and drinks from special pouches. After breakfast, astronauts start their work. They have a schedule with tasks. This can include science experiments, fixing equipment, or taking care of the station. Astronauts do many experiments in space. They study how plants grow, how fluids move, and even how the human body changes in space. Astronauts must exercise every day to stay healthy. They use special machines like treadmills and stationary bikes. This helps them keep their muscles strong and bones healthy. Around noon, astronauts eat lunch. They have a variety of foods, like pasta or chicken, all packed for space. After lunch, they continue their work. They might communicate with scientists on Earth or participate in video calls. In the evening, astronauts have dinner. They can choose from different meals, just like lunch. After dinner, they have some free time. They can watch movies, read, or talk with family on video calls. Astronauts get ready for bed around 10 p.m. They secure themselves in their sleeping bags to avoid floating around while they sleep. Every day, astronauts float because there is no gravity. They have to be careful not to lose things. Astronauts work closely together. They help each other with tasks and support one another. Living on the International Space Station is exciting and busy. Astronauts work hard but have fun exploring space too.